Guys, welcome. Another money day. No. My hair looks bad. Another money day. Ay. What's wrong? Hey. Another. Ay. Because I'm using like a mirror or something. If I touch like this, I want to do it like this. Okay. Another money day. Today we are learning lesson two. Lesson two of what we learned yesterday. Okay. Allow me to share the link. Happy day. Because you guys don't join until I show you the link. I share the link. So let me share. We are live right now. Yeah. They say they ain't like us. Okay. So allow people join. Allow people to join. Okay. Allow people to join. So let's give people time to join. Meanwhile, let's give people time to join. Two, 5, 7, 6, 8, 4, 9, 5. Okay. So let's give people a minute to join. Yeah, let's give people time to join. Hey, God is good all the time, and all the time, God is good. And that is His nature. Wow. So guys, I'm giving people time to join. 99. Let's go. Morning, yes, morning. How are you? I'm giving people let's allow them to join. What's happening on gold? No shit. So I think we are okay. We start. Okay. So gold has been moving at night. Why? Weird. It doesn't want us to make money. And yeah, that's the number we need to start. So somebody remind me what we are learning. Let me set up for TikTok. Let's set up for TikTok. They ain't like us. Apple. Okay, so I'm setting up for TikTok. We start. Mhm. So one day we will do also live. Okay. Yeah. TikTok. And one of you should be today's candlesticks. Yesterday we learned candlestick. Okay. Yesterday we learned about candlesticks. What are we learning today? Same thing. So guys, I'm doing short videos, summary of what we are learning on TikTok. So you can search us. Hey, but you see, my hair looks very good on TikTok because the camera is better than this now. Guys, if I told you if we hit 30,000 subscribers, I'm going to get a very good camera. But you guys are not subscribing. Can we start? Can we start, guys? Let's see, we are at 25.9. So if you guys subscribe today, we hit 26, only 4,000 people. We go to, what do you call it? So what are we learning today? Candlesticks. Part 2 of candlesticks. So we go to the board. Let's 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 go to the board. Candlesticks, yes. Hey guys, candlesticks. Let me put you here. Okay, let me put you somewhere here where you see the board. Allow me to switch. How do I switch this? Flip camera, yes, and yes. Okay. So tell me how it should be look like. I should bring this here. You remember yesterday the signal I gave, guys? It was a very good signal, and we ate the signal based on candlestick. That was very good. I love when we learn something big back. I love when we learn something and it applies to the markets like immediately. So part 2 of candlesticks, right? Yeah, this will be a very short class. And I didn't even want to read again. Okay, let me set up for TikTok. TikTok. Okay, TikTok. I think that's good for TikTok. The TikTok people cannot see everything, but it's okay. But YouTube, we are seeing well there. Oh, okay. Nebs, if possible, utupeange class during New York session. Oh, okay, I don't understand what the guy means about New York. New York, London. If we do, you see, guys, we cannot change our time of being in class, but you can always watch the recorded. Okay, what if we do this, guys? Let's do this. What if Okay, how will we do it? How will we be live trading? Live trading during New York is not something good you want to do because the best movements are got in the London session. New York is usually a retracement or a reversal. So the best move are from London session. So what if once we finish the classes, I don't know, I'm thinking. Let's us all finish the classes, you know the basics, and then we'll be doing live trading. I can be doing 2 lives a day. In the morning, I teach you, and during New York, we analyze the markets together. So I will be doing a live from 10 to 11, then from 4 to, or from 3 to 4. Okay, just tell me in the comment section, not right now, just tell me in our Telegram group if that's what you want, because I don't know how I can be doing like trading and the classes together. Okay. Okay, let's start. Yesterday we learned about candlesticks. We talked about bullish engulfing candlesticks. We talked about bearish engulfing candlesticks, right? We talked about the pin bar. We talked about the doji and spinning top. Now, today we are going to learn about something we call inside bars. So basically, inside bars are used for continuation of the market. It's a like, so if it's a continuation, it's like a breather. Inside bars. You understand? So this acts as market continuation. Market continuation. Okay? So basically, how do they look like? So if you see like a market having inside bars, it tells you we are continuing in the same direction. So what are inside bars? These are candle inside the candle. Wait. Okay. Let's say we have one big candle, but it's a buy candle. You see the body is the size of the body, okay? And we have inside the body, we have different candlesticks. We have sell, we have a buy. But if you notice one thing, the body is it's hugging them. All the candlesticks are inside one. You understand? You understand? Even this side, the same thing. Okay. So you'll notice the candlesticks exactly like that. The candlesticks are of the same, but if you see this body has, they are inside. The size of this body is covering the whole candlesticks. You understand? Something like that. You understand? So this only this body. Let me put it in blue. That you see. So here we have blue and black. Blue. I don't know if I'm making sense. Basically, this whole blue candlestick is, it's not engulfing. I don't want to use that one. It's like holding all of them. Ni baba yao. You understand? You understand? This huge candle is holding a lot of candles inside. So this acts as a market breather, if you see such an action. You understand? Let's see if people on TikTok are together with us. Yes, so guys, like the live. You understand? Am I making sense? Don't know if why people are not responding. Is there a problem? Yes, basically, inside bars, there are huge candlesticks, but if this is my body, we have like children around me. You understand? So basically, this marks a continuation. I think, okay. And the last important candle, okay, allow me to, okay. Another important candlestick we call the dark cloud curve. Dark cloud. Dark, dark cloud cover. Okay, so the dark cloud cover, it's called the DCC. You see, D C C. Okay, so let's say these are useful on higher time frame. Higher time frame. Okay. So guys, why the higher time frame? So if we are on daily chart, guys, always, and this is the movement. Assuming this is the movement of one day, and it's selling. That means the whole day spent being a sell, right? Sindio. Now, what if the next day we have a candlestick looking like this, and it's the exact opposite candlestick of a blue? What do you think happens, guys? So maybe this we will do like this. Okay, that's blue buying, that's selling. What does this tell you? Yesterday we had this candlestick. Today it has closed with this candlestick. What does that tell you? This simply tells you the sellers all of a sudden have been pushed by the buyers without, like, all of a sudden, just randomly, suddenly, a lot has changed. Okay, because this is a whole day performance, and the next day this happens. You understand? It's like the tug of war. They won a whole day. Okay, I told you buying and selling is more like tug of war. Now, assuming this was yesterday, the sellers won tug of war because they had a huge red candlestick. No, but unfortunately, waking up the next day, you realize we have a very huge opposite candlestick. So it's telling you the buyers have gained a lot of strength overnight. So that's what we call the dark cloud cover. Okay, let's say it's 1 day or 1 week candlestick, or even minimum 4 hours, but it's good on 1 day. You understand? Okay, so if a candlestick of a daily push today closes this huge, and the next day it goes more than 50%, so obviously the half of the candlestick body, it's here. See where I'm just wrapped. So if it goes more than 50% of the previous, it tells you we have basically gained direction of the opposite side. You understand? So this is a very rare case in trading, because basically you can trade this. This is like its own strategy. You understand? It's like its own strategy. I don't know if I'm making sense. Because basically, all you have to do is wait for retests of this zone. It's yes, like an engulfing candlestick, but higher time frame. With higher time frame, it means yesterday we were selling, today we have just decided to buy. Done. It's that simple. Okay? Now, people normally trade such. This is a whole strategy by its own. People, how they trade it. If you see this action, you wait for retracement around this area, like I had mentioned, in engulfing candlestick, and then you take the buys because they are winning, and opposite side. If the sellers were winning, if the buyers were winning, and then we see a huge candlestick more than 50%, we go sells. So if it pushes more, for those that are writing, if it pushes more than 50% of the previous candlestick, that's daily time frame is the better. That's what we call a dark cloud cap. You can wait for a retest and take the trade. Okay. Let me stop my phone from ringing, guys. Hello, babe. Nikolai. Oh yeah, guys. My wife is calling me. What the fuck will I do? You guys don't leave. Don't leave, okay? My wife just called me 1 minute, guys. Can you allow me to run really quickly? Don't leave my life, please. I don't want to come back here and see I'm talking to myself. Okay? Meanwhile, conversate in the comment section. Let me leave you with yes, it's piercing through higher time frame. So there are a lot of candlesticks you might learn, but I'm only teaching you the meaningful. But meanwhile, tell me if there is anything. Okay, just give me a minute. Let's be honest, you guys, just a minute. Oh yeah, guys. You guys are good people, good people, good people. I think in TikTok I've been left alone. We continue. Yeah, I think that's right. That cloud cover, we have finished that. So now, tropical magic biscuits. We continue. Watu wa TikTok man, hawakuangi serious. Dakika moja taenda. Now, I think there is a very important candlestick that is not in my notes that we should learn. I don't know, is it called the hammer? Is it called the hammer candlestick? Remind me, guys. That candlesticks that look like this. Let me, it's not in my notes. Okay? But I know where I can get it. Okay, let me just use my brain. There is this candlestick that looks like this. It's like a pin bar, but it's not full. You understand? It's like a hammer. I think they call it hammer candlestick. So basically, I've told you there are a lot of candlesticks, but I will not teach you because most of them. Okay. So the ones that I've taught you, they are so important, they can apply in real life trading. Now, something like this, the reason why, so I'm teaching you about this hammer. I think it's called hammer. It's not in my notes, it's not in Kamal book, but I know it because I learned a lot of. Now, you might spend a lot of time. My point is, you might spend a lot of time learning things like hammer, candlesticks, a lot of stupidity. But how do you apply this in real life market? Now, that's my question. Because if you know the hammer, how this hammer works, basically, I think it should show indecision. Okay? No, I don't know. I don't remember. But basically, if you go to the charts today, you will see so many hammers, you will be confused. Now, that's the point. You want to see a very rare candle pattern so that you can be able to know how to trade it. Understand? Are we together? I hope I'm making sense. So we are not going to study a lot of candlestick. We are going to stick to what we have learned, and that's what we are going to apply in our normal trading days. Because we can learn a lot rising stars, but if you go to the market, you see a lot of them that might confuse you. You understand? So can we go to the charts, see them? Meanwhile, tell me, guys, how will we do it? How will we do it? How will we be like trading? And also the same time as we are live trading, tell me, how do we live trade and also do live analysis? You know, it's a lot for me to compute how we want us to do it. People on TikTok, yeah. But on TikTok, I should just leave TikTok. Yeah, I went away for a while. I found myself talking to myself on TikTok. Okay. Yes. So guys, I think this class can be better if I did. I'm still thinking. I will know. I will know. I will know. Will you guys? Will you be available doing all that? Yes, it's a hammer. You see, people know it. Yeah, I don't want to learn about. You don't want to. In forex, you want to learn what is important. You don't want to crowd yourself with the rising stars, shooting stars, candlestick. I don't know what. Okay, about the trading two sessions, it's not easy, guys. I think London and New York session. Okay, I think it's a good idea. You think it's a good idea? What do we do, guys? No, so basically that's a very good question. Meanwhile, ask your questions and then we go to the chats. Someone just asked, okay, I saw people don't like questions. Don't ask your question right now because people will leave. But let me answer. Can one succeed in trading without backtesting? What's the work of backtesting is to confirm the strategy you have learned. So if you don't backtest, you will never know if Nebs is lying to you or your mentor is lying to you. So you have to backtest and confirm for yourself. So basically, guys, this. So yesterday I gave this trade in the VIP. Let's see, VIP. You see, I gave this trade in the VIP. This. I know it looks so small here, but basically, in the 1 minute time frame. Wow. Oh, that was a loss. This one was a loss. I tried selling gold around here, guys. Well, it was bad. So are we telling? Oh yeah, you're not seeing my screen. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I know you are seeing my screen. So, I we try do some live analysis right now. But you guys, I know you don't want live analysis. You want like live trading. We are here. We take buy. We hit take profit like that, like that, like that, like that. So I'm confused. That's why. Okay. What do we do? So basically, I'll be live all day. Yeah, obviously we are doing live analysis and trading. So guys, you see, yesterday we had this what we called. You saw this yesterday, and we learned about it. So I want to show you about the dark cloud cover in higher time frame, like 1 day. So, oh, if you don't, Kennedy, can someone on TikTok is asking why they can't see my screen? If you want to see my screen, you go to YouTube, Wealth Up Effects, because if I show my screen on TikTok, I will be banned immediately. Higher. So what do we do, guys? We go to the 1 hour, 1 day minute time frame. Okay. What do you see? Gold just made its highest point unapologetically. So the dark cloud cover. Here it is, perfect example. You see, we were buying. Okay, this day closed with a buy. Okay, but suddenly we had a red candlestick that basically engulfed the other days. You understand? This is a huge candlestick that is engulfing the previous days. You understand? So basically, if the area is retested, here is the retest. All you have to do is take the opposite trade. Done. So candlesticks work very good if you are in trading on higher time frame confirmation. Okay. So if you see the whole since today, the market has been rejecting the uptrend, but you can see yesterday the buy momentum is like crazy. Understand? So it's good to say we are still buying. People are eyeing to 3,000 and we are about to hit it. You see this zone? This was your perfect entry for gold. This was your supposed to be your perfect entry for gold. So imagine here. That's but basically you understand, guys. Are we together, everyone? So follow the host people on TikTok, YouTube, subscribe. You understand? You have seen the uh, you see, guys, gold is not buying because of technical analysis. Guys, I've told you and I've taught you a lot of times. Technical analysis is the least thing you want to follow if you want to know the market direction. For market direction, you go with the fundamentals. You understand? So we can't be here guessing that if it gets to 3,000, it will. Hey, but look at these buys. We can't assume just because it gets to 3,000, it will start selling. Why will it sell? We still have political instability in the USA. Political tension, making gold a safe haven. So coming up with a solution that, yes, people on TikTok are seeing the screen. Thank you for following the host, Susie. You understand? Are we together, guys? Hey, Nebzanyadira just came live. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, can we continue? I don't think there's anything else we have learned that I've not mentioned. We have learned about that cloud cover. So this is basically a huge candlestick breathing. But we said that's not for okay. When the market wants to breathe, like gold loves breathing so much before it goes to one direction. So you see, here it is, guys. You see this huge red candlestick? You have seen very small candlesticks. It's like just one candlestick hugging a lot of candlesticks. Understand? So this is a perfect example for the guys. Can we learn about moving average tomorrow? No, I don't think it's a good idea, but I think we should learn something about moving average. So, guys, this if you have been following our classes, let's be honest. Let's assume you have been following our classes. You can be able to take good trades, yes or no? I think you can be able to take some very, very good trades. I think it's fair. You can tell me why I took this trade, why I took this trade. In fact, this trade was in VIP, this one. But actually, we did not hold up to that point. We could be. I think, guys, tell me what you think. We can start live trading, guys, the way you are asking, because basically I've taught you most of the things that I know, but you guys still want I teach you Kamal Bull strategy. Yeah. So I was thinking, should we be doing our videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday? The short term, they will be like recorded. I will be recording myself. I post because Kamal Bull strategy is not something like we can be doing live. So I'm confused, guys. I'm so confused. I don't know how to do it because I have to teach you Kamal Bull strategy, okay? The whole of it. I have to teach you, we should have to continue with these normal classes that we are doing right now. And we also have to do like trading. Now, guys, I got a proposal from a broker. They will pay me then you see they like let's say they asked me how many people you normally get in your VIP. I told them. They agreed to pay me that number and I do the VIP for free. But all you guys have to do is support the pro and use the broker. So I've been researching to know if the broker is good. So if it's good, they can sponsor the classes. I can be doing live trading for free. I can be doing physical classes for free. I can put my VIP for free. I can do copy trading for free. Yes, basically that's their offer. But now I'm still researching if the broker is good. Also, if you have used RCG markets, tell me, are they good? Because they have been pressuring me. We need to work with you and your people. But you know, I can't just accept and take you to a broker like Alpha Markets, idiots. And if you have an account on Alpha Markets, but basically, you understand, guys. So I'm really confused how we're gonna manage all this. But basically, maybe we analyze together. Okay, let's analyze together Euro USD. Yes, let's analyze together Euro USD. Because now I think from how we have been coming with the classes, now you have a right idea of how I'm doing my analysis, and that's really pretty good. So if you want to start your analysis, you have to start on higher time frame. You go to like the daily. You want to delete all the drawings you are seeing in your charts. So basically, just looking at the daily chart, what is it telling you about Euro USD? Okay, so this is live analysis. So you have to understand if you are looking to this how it looks like on the daily chart. What are we seeing? Okay, basically we are seeing sells, right? You see, we have been selling, okay, but unfortunately it got to around this area, denied that area, and then bought. But now it looks like it's back on sales. Now we go to the 4 hour. This is how you analyze the market. I mean, this is how you do it. You go to the 4 hour. So basically, I'm analyzing with you like fresh. From the 4 hour, it looks like the market has been consolidating since here. Yes. But what do you see? It took a buy. That's what we want to see. Taken out any kind of liquidity. Took a sell to this zone, then buys, then sells. So it's good to assume we are selling the market, Euro USD. Sindio? People in TikTok, if you cannot see my screen, you have to go to YouTube. Okay? Are we together up to that point? Now, this is how it looks like. We have been selling. And if we are selling, this should be our aim, right? Because the last 4 hours, now you break down. You see, that's how you trade. In fact, we are going to analyze several markets with you guys because you have been learning how to do analysis. Now we start putting what we have been learning in progress. What do you see? The last few hours we have been selling, but unfortunately, getting around here, we have been getting buys. You understand? You don't want to complicate trading. You trade what you see. You see, we have been selling aggressively. But getting around this here, around this area, you see this area, the market is reversing right now. You see? So if it's reversing, where would it go? It would go to the highest point, which is here. So we go to the 15 minutes time frame. Thank you for following the host. So now the charts look like this. We have been selling. Is there any type of liquidity we are seeing? Not really. But the market has been buying. Now, the next thing you want to do is draw your Asian session. See what happened before you woke up. So from there to 9 a.m. Okay, like that. So what happened actually before we woke up? The market sold and now it's buying. So you can confidently say for gold, we will be for Euro USD, we will be hoping for buys. But remember, we don't if you I told you guys, if you want to take a certain direction, you want to see things like imbalance, you want to see things like liquidity, you want to see things like you don't just decide on the direction. But looking at the upside market, we don't have any kind of imbalance to be filled. Remember, we talked about the imbalance mark sufficient market and inefficient market. Now we don't have any inefficient market to be filled. Okay. So what I would be hoping for if I was trading Euro USD is a small buy to around this area. In fact, it has been, I would be hoping for a sell today if I'm trading Euro USD. Okay, so I would be hoping for a sell, something like that, because it has taken out the Asian range higher. What do you see about the candlestick behavior? They are rejecting these prices. You see that the prices now it's rejecting. So now, if let me delete this and explain. You see, if this candlestick and this candlestick were in one line like this, I cannot confirm the trade if they were. Is that double top or double bottom? If it's double top or double bottom, we cannot take that trade. You understand? Remember, I said we are never taking trade during when it's liquidated. So if that's the case, we are never going to take it. So I want you guys to confirm, is it a liquidity area? Or people on TikTok, if you cannot see the screen, you World Hub Effects, you go head over to YouTube World Hub Effects. So you understand? That's how it looks like. But basically, I don't think this is a double top or double bottom. That's why I'm saying I could sell my Euro USD around this zone, targeting the previous low. It's that simple. So someone tell me in the comment section what they think. If is it this will is this what is what will determine is it a buy or sell? Okay. Oh yeah, we have Powell speech today. It depends. If it's an interview, it will really affect the markets. Guys, I'm asking, is that a double top or it's not? Is this a double top or not? So today's news, we have Fed Powell testifies. No, the testifying will not cause any impact, huge impact in the markets. Okay, so people on TikTok, if you want to see our class, you head over to YouTube, Health Hub Effects. You understand? So that's how it looks like, yeah? So is this a double top or a double bottom? Is it valid at double top or it's not? So people are still thinking. So let's peep on gold. So I think gold is in a very good buying zone and it's respecting it. And it has not cost liquidity. So yeah, I think gold is buying. So I will enter gold if it comes back here. That's where my entry on gold will be. My stop loss will be here, lowest point. Okay, so that's my view on gold, unless it decides to sell. So for Euro USD, actually, we have talked and it's already selling. But you understand? I hope you understand how I'm doing the analysis. Yeah. Thank you for following the host, guys. You understand? All right. Now, give me another pair we can look at. Allow me to see what my sister sent. My sister sent what? Euro, GBP, USD, AUD, USD. So we are going to analyze again. For gold, I've said I'm buying. Why go against the trend? But I'm sure gold will want so very soon come here. So I want to catch that move. So if you're buying gold, this should be your take profit.
Guys, some of the neighbor is calling me. I don't know why.
You understand? You understand? Are we together up to that point? Okay. Now, I think after this zone, we will sell. Yes. But it's good if you take your buy. I will take my buy around here. So I will buy gold. For Euro USD, I will watch because you guys did not confirm. Is this a double top or double bottom? But listen, for Euro USD, remember my setup was like this. If the area is not liquidated, Euro USD should sell like that. Aiming that zone. So 1:3. Okay. For gold, this should be a trade. So it has to comply with 1:2. Come on, Apple. This should be your trade on gold. Hi, are we together? So this is Euro USD, GBP USD. Let's take screenshots and then we'll review tomorrow. But I've said if this is double top, don't take this trade because you don't want to trade in a liquidated area. And this is gold, just like that. Okay. Now let's look at GBP USD from fresh. What you want to do, I told you, you start with the daily chart. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's start with the daily chart. One thing you want to do is hide your drawings. Okay. So, what are you seeing? You are seeing cells. Exactly. It's that simple. First, what direction? So, one and another thing you must see, you must not ignore. Why did the market? You see, the market reversed after getting here. Okay, but basically the market has been selling. It's on a downtrend. We go to the 4 hour. Okay, in the 4 hour, it's still selling, right? So if it's selling, you want to aim here. Why? Because I told you about the law of imbalance, and this is where you should be aiming for. Remember, I told you about the law of imbalance and market inefficiency. So if you are selling, this should be a take profit, right? But now, yes, we have identified, or we have identified it's selling, right? But do you want to take a, a, a reversal trade? You understand? So GBP USD is selling. We have identified its take profit for the sell. But remember, we did not take the sell. So we have to look for an opportunity to enter that sell because we already have our take profit. So we go to the 1 hour, start looking if where it will retrace to. So basically, this thing retraced around this zone. Understand? So gold GBP USD retraced here. You see, I'm drawing using the order block. Okay, so it retraced there, here, and now it's selling. Okay, and it's forming a double bottom. So we want to see a retracement to that double bottom.
Yeah, guys, allow me to call my neighbor. Square limeacha gari kwa geti yake. Can't pick the call right now. Can't pick call right now. Let me tell her can't call now. Hold on. Okay.
Are you okay with that? So it's forming. We hope it forms a double bottom. So if you want to take a sell on GBP we have to look to the zones where it might retrace to. So you can't just sell because we know it, we have our take profit, but we can't just sell. We want to analyze where the reversal will happen so that we can take the downtrend. So another thing you have to do when you get to the 15 minutes is draw the Asian session 00 from 00. Yes, from 00. So those people that cannot see what we are doing, you head over to YouTube, Well Up Effects. You pull to 00 to 9 a.m. Okay, you want to see what happened during Asian session. So we had some very beautiful movements of the cells. See? Yeah, so this was where you were supposed to enter your market if you wanted to sell. This is the chance they gave you. That's the chance they gave you to sell that trade today. But what I know will happen, okay? We will have a retracement to this zone. We must have a retracement to our Asian session zone. And that will be the best part to buy, either here. That is your best bet to sell GBP USD. According to me. Hello, boss. I have a question about funded exit. Guys, me, I don't advocate for, what do you call it? Funded accounts. You understand? So, guys, that's the retracement we are hoping for. Then we take a whole buy. So, let's go to GBP JPY. GBP JPY. Again, how do we start? Can we continue, guys? Are you there? Let me confirm if I have people here. GBP JPY. You see, guys, you don't just take trades because you know the direction. No, you have to wait for them to give you an entry. What do? You hide your drawings, go to the daily. Daily, where is the daily? Daily, 1 day. Okay, you get the general direction of the market. Wow, beautiful. So this market is selling. Where is our take profit? Yeah, the last lowest point before the impulsive movement where there was break of structure. You understand? So this should be our take profit if we get to our chance to sell go GBP USD, GBP JPY. So always first identify your target where mzee sahi. Guys, if you don't see Alvaro, if you are not seeing my screen, you go to YouTube, you will see it. So gold has retraced, guys. Let me finish the explanation first. So if we go to the 4 hour, this is our target profit for GBP JPY. Okay, here there was a missed entry, so we go to the 1 hour. Remember, you want it to retrace so that you can get your entry to profits. So this was a good entry. This around this zone was a good entry for the sales, but we missed it. What are we seeing? Liquidity. So, and currently the market is retracing. So this is liquidity, and that's something we want to see. Yeah, we want to see double top, we want to see resistance, we want to see such things. Okay, now we go to the 15 minutes time frame. Then what you do, you draw your Asian session.
the Asian sesh to 9 a.m. 9 a.m. 9 a.m. So this is not the bottom. Okay, that's how it looks like. Okay, now another thing you must consider, we are looking for cells, but we cannot look for cells if we are still in range. So I would be happy if we took our cell around this zone. That would be the perfect zone to take your cell. And that's how you set it up. Okay, let's look at gold. So, I am. How is gold behaving in our zone? You're getting rejection, that's good. So here I'm going to the 5 minutes time frame. So you see, guys, gold has been selling. These are things you should always consider before even. That's why I'm not giving the signal. You see, gold has been selling since 5. It has sold up to now. It's making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So if I give a buy right now, I'll be giving um totally I will be giving the opposite direction trade. I will be trading against the trend. What is it called? I don't remember. You understand? So you want to see rejection around this area so much so that you can decide whether to take your buys. But basically, meanwhile, let me calculate what I need to take this trade. The stop loss is so huge, but I'm not, I think it's worth it. You understand, guys? You want to see rejection. You want to see sales becoming weak. I've taught you about candlesticks. You see, the sales are showing more wicks, but the green candlesticks are showing more body. That's what we have learned, guys. Remember, okay? So it's giving us more confidence on why we should take that buy signal. Okay? Can we continue? Yeah, against the price action, and it's not counter trade. Yes, a counter trade. So basically, you have to be careful about that. You always want to take the trades where the direction is it's going, because maybe it might decide to sell to this zone, to sell below. You want to take your trades below the Asian sesh. Okay, so it's good. It's good. Okay, now ask your questions, guys. We are done with the class. So am I going to take this buy on gold? Now this is what we have been learning. We have to observe the candlesticks. How are they behaving? How are they closing? Understand? Are we getting some very huge pumps? Are we getting the very huge pump from buys? It's it the timing also. Timing is also, and it's a very good time. Recap on GBP JPY. I've said we are looking for sales, but I've set alarms. We will the moment they are triggered, I will inform you. Okay. I don't like USD JPY, but let's look at it. So allow me to show you USD JPY. Meanwhile, prepare your questions. We are done. Okay. So you start with the daily chart. Euro GBP is tricky, guys. So exactly, these are the markets you want to trade in. Very simple markets. USD JPY has been buying on the daily time frame. Understand, on the daily time frame. But on the lower time frame, it's selling. What am I saying? I'm saying this market on daily time frame it's buying basically. So lower high, then we buy, right? Easy. We go to 4 hours, it's selling. So here you, that's why we have to go to the main. So here we have, you see here, we have the buy. We call it the daily dispatch. Okay, DD, daily dispatch. Okay, now we go to the 4 hours. 45 minutes now. We will go to the 4 hours. Okay, in the 4 hours we were selling aggressively. Look at that drop, but we hit our zone, take profit, and suddenly we are getting, so GBP USD has crossed our zone. Okay, so I don't know. Let's finish USD JPY quickly. So you can see this is the candlestick I've just taught you today. You see, very huge candlestick that is engulfing very many candlesticks, telling you the bulls have strength. So I know it might sound stupid, but I would want so much to buy USD JPY. It's a counter trade, a counter trend trade, but it's really worth it. You see, the daily chart is telling us we should be buying. The lower time frame are telling us we should be selling. And based on the higher time frame, we are done buying. We are done selling. And we have gotten a very good rejection of our zone. You see, huge rejection, pin bar. Very good rejection. We appreciate that. So if we want to if you want to buy USD JPY, what's the best zone? You go to the 15-minute time frame. You identify your Asian sesh. Okay, to 9 a.m. And that's how it looks like. Okay, so it has taken out the liquidity of the upside. So we want it to retrace to around this zone. Always want it to go below the Asian session. So you want it to come around this zone, then you take your buys. Am I making sense? So let's go to 5 minutes time frame. You see the rejection candlesticks, but they are not, they are dangerous. No, they are normally so dangerous. So you want something like this to happen. If the market comes here, you want to take your buy. Are we together? Easy. Follow the host, subscribe, guys. Guys, I'm not doing another one. I'm tired. Let's focus on GBP, USD, gold. You see, guys, it has tapped our zone and it's selling. Oh my God, we should take this trade. Let me calculate the lots really quickly. Yeah. Oh my God. Come the back, please. Come back, please. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Come back, please. Oh, yeah, I'm begging you, sir. I'm begging you, GBP, USD. Come back, please. Come back, please, man. Come back, please, man. Aim for the previous zone. Come back, man. Please, we beg you. You see, our zone has been touched and it's selling. It has reacted well. So we want a retest. If we get a retest, immediately we sell the market. Run. So that's a very good behavior we are getting on gold. So I will take my buy the moment it comes back.
Yes. So we are getting some very good behavior from candlesticks in gold.
Oh my God. So let's allow me to end the live. I calculate my lots. I told you guys, lots are not guessed. Lots are calculated. So allow me to calculate my lots. Yes. So guys, allow me to calculate my lots and give the trade for VIP, give you for free. Let's all meet on the Telegram group. Yeah. I'll give you the entries when they are confirmed. So see you another day, guys. Thank you so much. Hey, how do you identify sessions? I talked about the sessions, the other video, go watch them. Thank you. Bye. So, guys, see you tomorrow, 10 a.m. 10 a.m. with 10 minutes. 10 a.m. You get that? So, we are normally live every day. Your Telegram is Well FX. It's a group where we discuss with other traders, we share signals and all that. So, yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, Forex is very lovely and enjoyable. Thank you, man. Nyumba gani? Rotas. See, we call it a day. Search, just go to TikTok, search Wealth Hub Effects. You will see a very huge group, very active. You tap comment. Be careful not to fall for scammers. My strategy is Kamal Bull strategy. Okay, bye, guys, bye. Thank you for following the host. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute to follow the host, and we are done. Thank you so much. Thank you for following the host, Marvo. Thank you so much. Kamal Bull strategy. Thank you for following the host. That party trading, text me on Telegram. The link is in the description. Oh my God. Guys, bye.